and welcome back to my old background, and I've cut my hair and everything is so new now. I've been planning on cutting my hair since a very long time, and thanks to my sister-in-law I got it cut before coming to India. So I'm so excited, and everything is so new now because I'm in my old filming setup and everything. So today's video is going to be a hairstyle tutorial, and a lot of you had commented on my last video saying you wanted hairstyle tutorials. So I thought why not film this one for you today, and I'm showing you all 5 cute bun hairstyles for short to medium length hair, and these are really cute hairstyles which you could wear wherever you want to. So if you'd like to learn any of these hairstyles, then please keep watching.
So the first hairstyle is going to be a basic half up bun, and this is pretty self-explanatory. So I'm just combing all of my hair behind, and then I'm just going to be taking half of my hair from the front, and I'm just leaving out few strands to frame my face. And after collecting the hair from the front, I'm just going to be securing it using an elastic, and then I'm just going to be twisting that pony and creating a bun. So here, like you can see me doing, I'm just twisting the bun around itself and trying to make it as messy as possible, because that's when it looks really nice. And after that's done, just use some bobby pins and secure your bun into place. So now for the second hairstyle, I've just taken a center parting, and I'm going to be dividing my hair equally on both sides and picking out a section. So this is like a pigtail, but you're just using half of your hair to make a pigtail, if that makes any sense. So I've just taken like half a section, and I'm then securing that with an elastic. So then I'm doing the same thing on the other side, and it's going to look something like this. So it's going to be like 2 half pigtails on either side, and then all you've got to do is rotate your pigtail around itself and create a bun. So you can do the same hairstyle with the hair that's left below, so collect everything and make it into one bun. But since my hair is really short now, I did this, and I really like this as well, and this is the second hairstyle. Now moving on to the third hairstyle, I've parted my hair to one side, and I'm going to be collecting my hair from my crown area, and this is also going to be a half up bun, but this is going to be a braided version of it. So once you collect all your hair from the crown area, you want to secure it using a clear elastic. So once you have secured this tiny little pony on top, you divide it into 3 sections and then start braiding it into a normal braid all the way till the bottom. Next, I'm just going to be fluffing out this braid we just created to make it look much more fuller and thicker, and then all you've got to do is rotate this braid around itself and create like a braided bun, and that completes the third hairstyle. So the next hairstyle is going to be a classic low bun, and I'm really surprised by the way it turned out, because my hair is so short now and it still looked so good in the end. For this hairstyle, I've again taken a side parting, and then what I'm going to do is I'm just picking out 2 sections from either sides, and I'm just going to be twisting it. So like you can see me doing, I've taken a section from my left side, and I'm just going to be twisting this till the end and securing it with a bobby pin behind so that it doesn't come out loose. And then I'm going to be doing the same thing on the right hand side. So just pick out like a small thin section and start rotating it and creating a twisty. And then what you've got to do is secure both the twisties along with the hair that's left behind into a small ponytail. So that's what I'm doing here. Next, I'm just going to be creating a gap above the elastic like you can see me doing, and then I'm just going to be pushing my fingers in from below and pulling the pony from that gap into the bottom section. So like you can see me doing, I've just pulled out the ponytail from that gap. And then finally, with all the hair that's left below, collect it and try pushing it into that gap, and then keep securing it with bobby pins, creating a very messy bun behind. And just keep securing it because there's a lot of hair that keeps popping out from either sides, because my hair is really short now, so I had a little bit of trouble securing it, but it really looks nice in the end. Now for the last hairstyle, I've again done the same thing, that is taking a center parting. I've divided two half pigtail sections, and then I'm just pinning up the hair that's left below so that it doesn't mess up with the braid that we're just going to create. So then what I'm doing is I'm just starting a Dutch braid from the crown area, and I'm just going to be Dutch braiding it, but I'm also going to be French braiding it, that is collecting sections on the way till the end. So like you can see me doing one section below the other, and once I keep doing that, I'm going to be grabbing a small chunk from the side, so that is French braiding it, and you continue this braid till you reach the end of your hair. And honestly guys, these hairstyles were so difficult when I had longer hair, because the bun used to look really huge and something or the other used to be wrong, but now it looks so good with short hair. Anyway, once you've completed your braid, I'm just going to be securing it using an elastic, and then I'm just going to be opening up the rest of the section below like you can see me doing, and then I'm just going to be fluffing out the braid that we just created to make it look more fuller. And then with the pony that's left behind, you're just going to be twisting it and creating your bun, and that will complete your final hairstyle.
So this is it. These are all the hairstyles that I wanted to show you guys, and I hope you guys liked this video and also learned something new. If you did, then don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel because I do make new videos every week. And also leave a comment in the comment section below letting me know what kind of videos you guys would want to watch next. And if you recreate any of these hairstyles or try it out yourself, do let me know in the comment section below or leave me a picture on Instagram. And if you haven't watched any of my previous videos, I'll be leaving the links in the description box below, and I'll also link it on the screen right here. And also I've done a lot of other hairstyle tutorials for long hair, so if you guys would like to check that out, then I'll be leaving the link right here so you can go and watch that. And that was it for today's video. I hope to see you guys in my next one. Until then, peace and love. Bye.